Hi, I'm Liz Cantor. Join me and my husband Ryan, sons Kit and Finn, and of course Bear, as we take on our first ever KnockDown rebuild. Today on KnockDown Rebuild, building continues as COVID hits. Progress is going up, not down. Hi!
Always late, eh?
The surf was good. Hi!
How you going? Good to see you.
Not the best day to wear a white t-shirt, but
right.
anyway,
Here
I
comes
should
your
know
brick.
better.
More bricks coming in.
Yeah.
Let's get out of this rain.
Guys, we're at the rough-in stage. What that means is we've run all the cables, all the plumbing, all the, inside the stud work materials have all been done, ready for fit off later.
And there's quite a few people here today. Who's here?
This is Craig Gordon. He's Metricon's QA manager. So he's here today to actually do an independent inspection on your frame. Yeah, unbiased to myself or the trades. He's here to make sure we're doing everything 100% perfect.
I come through as basically as the client. As I said, I'm building this house when I come through it, as if it's my house, to make sure it's up to the standards of myself and for Metricon.
And I guess that's how you afford giving a lifetime structural warranty.
That's right, yeah.
No?
We wouldn't be so confident to give that if it wasn't for people like Craig and Metricon's system with the QA, which we're quite proud of. Yeah.
I can't get over how big these windows at the front are.
Yeah.
Wow.
They're quite big.
So the whirlies are in?
Whirlies are in, so you've got all your ventilation.
Anti-cons in?
Anti-cons in.
Look at me go.
That's exactly right.
You know everything now.
Yeah.
I'm getting there.
So guys, as you can see here, your skylight is actually in.
Ta-da!
Yeah, so it's all framed up.
So this space, rather than being dark and relying on that window out there, will have this beautiful lit feel.
Oh,
That looks nice.
when it's all plastered and square set, it looks.
It'll look beautiful.
Which side were you having? That side.
What do you mean?
On the
All of it.
wardrobe.
I'm having both sides.
Yeah, right.
That's yours there.
I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works.
We're at the rough-in stage. The roof goes on and the kids get to work.
Hi guys.
Morning.
Hi. How you
going,
going, Kit?
Kit.
Hi.
This is
High
Adam
five.
who's building our house.
How you going?
And this is Finny.
Hi Finn.
High
How
five.
you going?
High five.
Right, Finny?
Yeah.
He throws a hard
that's
high
a
five,
good
doesn't he?
Yeah.
Doesn't do anything gently,
No.
that child. Do it. Ready? Whoop. Yeah, man. We'll have to remember this brick is Kit's brick. Step in.
That's it.
Push it down. Give it a pat. Yeah. You give it a pat, Kit?
You knock it down with the trowel.
Give it a pat.
That's it.
Yep. Good job.
All that.
Come in the middle a little bit, Jai. Okay. Here's a memory. I think I've got it.
Nah.
The coronavirus pandemic has radically changed the lives of almost every Australian.
Ryan is in isolation while Liz gets a tour of the house with Adam as lock-up stage approaches.
How you going, Liz?
Hello. Bizarre times, it just feels wrong not to shake your hand.
Very bizarre.
Me
Yeah.
on my lonesome today because Ryan's in isolation after going over to the States for his holiday
Okay.
and cutting his 14-day holiday down to 48 hours before he got on a plane and came back.
And 14 days at home now.
How's
yeah.
the business with Metricon?
Yeah, going really good. Obviously challenging times. We're going to have to adapt, obviously, but we're well equipped. There are some trades on site, as you can see. So what we'll probably do is just introduce you from a distance, and we'll refrain from touching anything.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll walk through, we won't touch the scaffold, don't touch the stairs, we just won't touch anything. It'll reduce our risk.
It's looking incredible.
Yeah, it looks really good. As you can see, we're painting the uppers at the moment. That's Ivan, your painter up there, just getting everything finished off today. All right, Liz, come on through.
Oh,
As you
God.
can see, your staircase is installed.
Yeah.
All right, so looking good.
Oh, beautiful. I went to touch it.
It's tempting, isn't it?
It's so tempting.
Yeah. 1.5. There you go, Liz. Yeah.
We're grown and safe. Okay. What does lock-up technically mean?
Lock-up technically means so your front door's on, that all the cladding, the brickwork is all on, and all the locks are on. So enclosed. So we're at enclosed stage. The house is completely enclosed from the external. So that's what. So we're at. So tomorrow, once this scaffold drops, it's official. The house is completely enclosed, and we're at lock-up stage.
And despite everything going on, there has to be time for a surf. This is how I do isolation, if given a choice. Coming up on KnockDown ReBuild, despite COVID restrictions, the scaffold has dropped and we're at enclosed stage.